Desktop automatic induction sealing machine for sealing and welding of aluminum foil of first opening control on the necks of plastic bottles for automatic use together with the equipment for counting and filling gelatin capsules or tablets into plastic bottles. Desktop automatic inductive thermal sealing machine for non-metallic bottles made of plastic or glass with conveyor belt. Inductive thermal sealing can not only improve product quality, prevent from absorption of natural moisture, increase shelf life, speed up sealing and quality packaging of tablets and capsules. The capacity of maximum 10 to 50 bottles per minute. Weight of the equipment is 45 kilograms. Made of stainless steel according to GMP standards. We provide a detailed instruction of how to use the equipment for induction welding on bottles. Prior to shipment to the customer, the machines are inspected and tested at the factory. Completeness and operability is guaranteed. Experienced specialists Minipress company will help you choose the right model of equipment. Our catalog Minipress.ru, one of the most authoritative in the pharmaceutical industry. Daily consultant answers questions in WhatsApp at +7 985 364 38 08. You can also send a request to email info@minipress.ru. We maintain a stock of parts and consumables. Prices inclusive of delivery to the buyer's city. AZ-02 electromagnetic induction machine for welding foil to bottles. Production capacity 10 to 50 bottles per minute. Sealing neck diameter 20 to 50 millimeters. Suitable for bottles 40 to 200 millimeters height. Power 220 volt, 50 Hz. Power 1.5 kilowatts. Static power consumption 0.1. Maximum allowable current less than 4 A. Operating ambient temperature 25 to 45 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity 95%. Size with packaging 1150 mm by 480 mm by 400 mm. Weight 38 kilograms. Weight with packaging 45 kilograms.
We're proud to offer professional advice on choosing any pharmaceutical equipment. Our exhaustive catalog comprises equipment produced by Chinese, Indian, Korean, and Thai manufacturers. We are ready to seek for you used pharmaceutical equipment made by Russian and European manufacturers. We assist in choosing and delivery of pharmaceutical equipment to Russia. Our industry experience and knowledge are vast and valuable. Our catalogs help to choose the best alternatives due to many videos, photos, and detailed descriptions. We're able both to make sets of equipment and to deliver separate units according to samples. You will also enjoy the whole range of related goods, packing, raw materials, and consumables. RomanTsibulsky will answer all of your questions. Moscow phone +7 495 364 3808.
Hello, my name is RomanTsibulsky. I'm the founder and the owner of the pharmaceutical equipment catalog Minipress.ru. For the last 17 years, I've been making sure that our clients make the right choice, get everything delivered on time, and have no problems with customs clearance. Every year, I participate in pharmaceutical equipment expositions worldwide in order to pick new, better quality models to include in my catalog. In my catalog, you can find tablet press machines, blister packaging machines, coating machines, packaging and production equipment, a wide range of laboratory machines, as well as compact desktop units to start your pharmaceutical business. In any case, if you don't come across what you are looking for, just let me know, and I'll help you find the best options. I provide my clients not only with information about equipment, but also about different technologies. I'm really good at that, as I have a great deal of my own and my clients' experience here. In my catalog, you'll find different types of equipment from China, India, Taiwan, Korea, and Europe. My team will assist you in choosing the right model, purchasing it, getting it delivered, and customs clearing of any equipment to Russia. You can contact me every day, either by telephone, Skype, or email. I'm here to help you choose any pharmaceutical equipment, making use of all my experience and knowledge. I'll be happy to see you among my clients.